Hello again, this is World News, and you are watching my channel. And again, I'm keen to inform you that Beirut faced a severe and the massive explosion 37 days earlier and near the port of Beirut. And again, after the 37 days, Beirut sees some huge devastation, and then uh, and, and as you can see, the devastation which were happened earlier ago, which were 1 month ago, and again such a devastation is again happened in the Beirut, which kills approx 190 persons. And this is the again massive explosion near the Beirut and killing approx 190 persons. As you know, the Lebanese government facing political crisis, economic crisis, too many crises, and again and the earlier explosion had disrupted their economy, and now 1 month later, their economy was trying to get back on the track, and then big setback to the economy of that, and the massive explosion had taken place near the Beirut. Such a devastation is happening in a single particular country. That's a bad news. So thank you.